In today's video demonstration, we're going to go over the accountability chart in the EOS One. Before we do, let's cover some basics from the EOS teachings. Each sheet should have 5 or fewer roles, forcing clarity and simplicity. Avoid creating job descriptions or task lists in your accountability chart. Keep the structure pure, functional, and results focused. Keep it high level and outcome based. Again, no to-do lists for daily tasks. Let's expand this to make it a little easier to see. We're going to start off by looking at our marketing and sales seat. We can see that Robert Salesman owns our sales seat and that the roles are LMA, which is lead, manage, and accountable, hit sales goals, develop salespeople, manage sales processes, and own customer relationships. Again, it's high level and outcome based. It is not granular. It's not a daily to-do list. It's high level and easy to understand. I also want to call out LMA. LMA is seen on anyone who has people reporting to them. This means lead, manage, and accountable. That should always be a major role of someone that has people reporting to them. If we'd like to edit any of the seats, we can click on these 3 dots and hit Edit Seat. This will take us to the seat name, the seat holder, and you can either type in their name here, or if they are in EOS One already, you can choose them from the seat holder. Our roles here, we're able to switch orders if need be and add more roles. Again, the standard's 5, but more may be added. Other options are add issues. If you find that there is a people issue and you need to have them as an issue, you can choose the meeting or even send it to a VTO. The notes section is often used to include any details about the seat. Because you can put a hyperlink in here, we've found that some users like to put in job descriptions, or even if they're hiring for the seat, the job posting. You can make this your own with notes and format it however you'd like. The last one is add assistant. We'll notice that the assistant has already been added for the integrator here. The assistant icon shows up next to the integrator because they have an assistant, and then the actual assistant shows up in a lighter blue with that same icon here. Of course, then you have remove seat as well. When working the pay accountability chart, if you need to move a seat, you can simply drag it over who they'll report to and drop it, and it will create it there. If you'd like to create a brand new seat, you can click on the plus icon below the seat that they'll report to, give it a name, assign it a seat holder, and add roles. The accountability chart will format properly as you do so. All right, now that we're satisfied with our accountability chart here, we're going to look at a few other options. We have the download to print option, so you can download this accountability chart for offline meetings with a simple print option here. We also have these 3 dots to either rename the accountability chart if we'd like to, move it to another folder if we have more than one folder, change the visibility settings where we can either choose the leadership team, the entire company, or individuals in EOS One. We can make a copy if we'd like to use this as a draft, but me to edit for other reasons. And finally, we have remove file. Here where it says return to draft, you'll notice that if I toggle between it, it's return to draft and make final. While working on your AC, it's advised to have it as a draft. That way people know it's under construction. Once you've pressed make final, it's a visual indicator that your accountability chart is ready to go. All right, now that you know how to make your accountability chart, let's get to it.